Hey everyone, welcome back to Food Prep Inc. Today we're going to be making these Tropicland sweet potato fries, vegan and gluten-free. So we've got here everything that we need. We've got our fries and we've got a pair of tongs just so you can toss your fries as you're cooking them. And we are going to preheat our air fryer to 400 degrees. Now on the back of the package, they tell you to heat it to 360, but I personally feel like that makes them a little too soggy and takes a little bit too long to cook. So let's go ahead and get this preheated. We're gonna do 400 and let that go. All right, we are preheated and ready to go. So we're just gonna open this up and just toss in as many fries as you want. I like to just put in a decent amount, just kind of toss them around in there. And we're gonna let this go for about 5 minutes, and then I'm just gonna toss everything around and we'll see where we're at. All right, it's been about 5 minutes. We're just gonna check these and flip them around a little bit. They are still quite soft at this point, so you wanna be careful. Don't be too manhandling with them. Just kind of be gentle, move them around so that they can get a little bit of color on all the sides. We're gonna let that go for about another 5 minutes and then we'll see if they're done. If you'd like to support this channel, the easiest way to do that is using our Amazon links the next time you shop there. All right guys, it has been about 9.5 minutes. We're gonna open this up and it looks like our sweet potato fries are done. Now these are all ready to go. Hear that sound? They're nicely crispy. Now I like mine a little bit well done on the ends. If you don't like that, definitely cook them for maybe about 30 seconds to a minute less. But this is absolutely perfect for how I like them. If you guys would like to know how these taste, definitely check out our other channel, 5 Minute Eats, where we give you a full review and let you know if we would purchase them again or not. In the meantime, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and we'll catch you next time. Bye. All right guys, that's the video. If you like what we're doing here, definitely check out our other channel, 5 Minute Eats, and don't forget to give us a like and subscribe.